Come over here. So we got
Ooh.
literally the whole front end of a car.
Wow.
Nuts, bolts, headlights. There's a nice ding right here, and it's missing that fog light, but drift car. It's much better than none of this stuff, so. And it's tan, but we'll figure that out.
Little spray paint can fix that.
Nothing little touch-up paint can't fix, so.
Yeah.
All right.
Should be good.
Yeah. So we're gonna do time lapse, and then we'll see where that takes us.
Cool.
So. We're cooking today. So welcome back to episode 3 of the BMW E36 build.
Nice.
We've got the car and it looks super ugly, as you've probably seen. So I did what any sane person would do and stole the whole front end of another car that we're gonna put on. I got Emily here. She's gonna help me uninstall and then reinstall this whole situation on the car. We're still waiting on some fuel pump parts, so in the meantime we figured we'll do some of this and make the car actually look pretty. I'll probably also put this in the, actually this might be episode 2. This might technically still be episode 2 stuff.
Okay, well, episode 2.5.
Whatever, 2.5.
Yeah,
You probably just watched us gut the car and now we're gonna put this on. So
that's true.
hopefully next time you see us, we'll be doing fuel pump things.
What happened, John? Don't you want to explain to the audience why the time lapse all of a sudden was stuck on this one side of the car for an extended?
Let's just say, don't replace your hex bolts with Phillips head bolts. It's really f***ed up. I can't say that on camera.
No.
It's really not kind to the next user. Okay, I will say, I found these pliers in the car, so I didn't have to run into my house to get them.
Rusty long.
Yeah, rusty long pliers that I don't care about. And a number 3 Phillips bit with Unga Bungas.
Yeah.
All right, back to the time lapse.
Winning. Well, there she blows. Did we mess with the alignment too much?
I don't think so. I think the hood's just really bent.
I'm gonna bash the hood in. Hey, that's pretty good. Here, get right on this corner here. This corner, yeah.
Yeah!
That's great.
Fantastic. Am I focused?
Yeah.
Is this focused?
Yeah.
Just for you, Drake.
For a good old buddy in Idaho.
Clipping my zip ties.
Here, you should show him your butt. Talk about all the dust you just got.
Oh, is my butt dusty?
Yeah.
Bumpers on, looking spicy. We need some kidneys, obviously. We'll just get the old eBay special for 20 bucks.
Yeah.
There's a guy on Facebook Marketplace who's partying on a BMW right now.
Might hit him up.
I hit him up. So we're gonna order some kidneys. We've ordered some fuel parts. Thanks for watching this episode of E36 vs. the World. Next episode, hopefully this thing will be running on its own power and we'll see what happens.
Knock on wood.
Yeah. So don't forget to stay dead, and we'll see you in the junkyard. Come on. Come on.